see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm, when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. See the bye. Bed slippers. Come on away. Nisha at girl slippers. Look on this girl. I'm daycare man, you know. So I gotta do a morning routine. But before me even start this, I just drop a little blessings to everybody. So that's something I say every morning, but you don't know, I change up your way which part I can share if you all away, you know? Alright? So if you're new, please subscribe, like, share, tell a friend about the channel. If you tell a friend, make a friend tell a friend, you know? And the more likes on the channel and more YouTube algorithm I work with the flow and just start push out the videos so other people can push out this so other people can see it. So basically and more YouTube recommend the video to other people. You get the answer? So just drop a like and here we go. So bring us peace, bring us health, bless us with great health, clear a path so that we can flourish, because what's ahead shall surely nourish, you know. And next thing, we don't chase, we attract. What is for us will simply find us. Blessings. Anyway, now get up. Get. Watch him. Get. Go. Come, we gotta go. Daycare. Daddy has to go to work, man. You have to go to daycare. So we gotta get ready, okay? Okay? Ready to go? Yeah?
What's your tack? What's your other tack?
What other one? What are you talking about?
This button my tack.
What?
Give my hour tacky.
For your hair?
No, this.
Yeah, it's beads. Remember I told you mommy was gonna put them in your hair?
Yeah.
And you said you want it?
This is singing.
Yeah, it's a sing ding.
What's my hour? I did this. And
Yeah.
just draw it up.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me I5.
Stop doing my eyes.
Give me I5.
It's not doing my eyes.
It's not going in your eyes?
No.
No.
You too.
No. I gotta do mine. I look like...
Say it like this.
You don't like mine?
You have to say this.
I can't. Look, see? It's not shaking. It's not shaking.
I hide the beans.
Yeah? Okay.
I hide the beans.
Oops. Let me fix this one. There you go. Now, say, good morning, guys.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, so, you don't know. Part of that, we are going to brush teeth.
Daddy, watch this.
Watch what?
I used to do that.
Are you strong, girl? Are you strong, girl? Let me see. Woo! Let me see. Where is it? Let me see. Are you strong? Wow!
Shine you? I didn't push you.
Don't push me. You're gonna let me fall.
This.
No. It's too early for that. So, I like when Nisha put out her clothes, say kind of make it easier for me if you just jump up and put on clothes on her and get her ready for her daycare in the morning. Yeah. You see, pre. Oh, wow, take out socks for me too. Anyway, soon get back to it. What did you just do?
Daddy, good.
Ouch, your hand's cold. Show them your pretty teeth. Show you brush your teeth. How do you brush your teeth?
I did.
Who did it?
My mommy.
Yep.
I use you.
Oh. And you go like this?
Not fast like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. And you brush your tongue?
Yeah.
Yeah? Clean. Woo! F5.
Let me see yours.
You want to see mine? You want to see mine?
Yeah.
Clean.
No,
Ah.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's your teeth. Try
Clean.
this.
F5. You did good.
Let's see what I have to do.
Did good. Give me...
Come, Daddy.
No. You're too strong, man.
Alright, he did it here. vitamins. Watch it. Eat it right. Eat it.
Oh, it's okay. You can go.
You see that? Stop it off. You want, Daddy? They work.
As now I eat up all that space I have left to make the video. So I have all of my stuff them out there, so I just keep a thumb on. I still not do my hair yet, so don't know what things said. What? I remember I said Wednesday I made appointment to do my hair, but you know. So next thing I have to go do, I make something for she to eat. But I will take care of a liquor part or something for so I'm going to show you. Now, this is normally what I do. As I say. So normally what I do before leave out the morning time. You know? So come here. Let me just come take a quick look over my charts and you know. Oh, just try to get up your USD. Okay. And I'm just come take a quick look. So I'm gonna look for nothing here, so AUD can say 4-hour time frame. So 50% rejection. I think I'll continue to sell AUD CAD. So yeah, nothing to say. Then me just look over the stocks on my own, you know. Then me look on the crypto. I'll go on over the crypto side. Okay. Okay. So for this week, the main focus right now, I just want this. I kind of look for pan this is pullback. I look for see if I go get a rejection from up. And this is a demand zone, yeah? Or from here, so I get that nice rejection from it's good. And we come down to 30 minutes. I see a little breaker structure right there, so push up breaker structure. For price of continue, so I'll see if I get the next rejection from here. So then probably me take the buy from here, so next rejection continue along. So yeah. So just now me make for sure no why settings when me I left out just now, but I'm actually was the time when they get late. So she have on her gloves. Look for the car glass. But with the head, I'm going to drop a lot of daycare to leave it a bit early, so. You know? So. You have anything to say, baby? Hi. What are those? Huh? What's this? What's this?
It's you black.
What's that you have on? Yeah, what's that? What's it called?
Pink.
Yeah. What it's called though?
Pink.
Is it a glove?
Yeah.
What? Okay. She not saying name.
Anyways, so guys, welcome back to Newby Fam. Back with another video. So I don't know if I'm doing Vlogmas because I do not have time. I don't even know how I would be able to upload a vlog every day, to be honest, with work and life. Like this year might just miss me. But I was telling Ziggy wanted to do it, but I was telling him that I don't feel like I really have the time. Anyways, I'm currently on the road, my day off. My day offs don't even feel like day off. It's so weird. But heading to an appointment because I'm actually going to be doing laser hair removal. I debated for so long. It's something that I wanted to do for a while, but now I'm actually going for it. And I'm currently on my way right now, about to be late, so I'm gonna have to shut off this vlog and focus on the road and make it to my appointment. When I get there, I'll see if I can vlog. If I can't vlog, I'll just come back and like tune in or like update you guys sometime. But yeah, so that's what I'm going with right now. And yeah, so I need to focus on the road. So I want to bump my music, and so yeah, I'm gonna tune in back with you guys. So guys, I just had like a mini consultation. I'm currently about to start. I'm so nervous. Right now I'm just like in the room waiting for the tech to come back in. But I'll let you guys know how it goes. I don't know if I can vlog it. I'm gonna ask her and see. Super nervous though, guys.
Hold on. Are you vlogging this?
No. Just it's on my face. Okay. It's on my face.
Just wondering.
No.
Because if you were, I was about to change my gloves.
Oh god, no. Girl, YouTube, no.
I don't know what kind of channel you have.
No.
It's vlogging. You didn't say on what platform.
No, never. It's a family channel. No. So, my tech is currently gearing up. I'm so nervous. She tried to relax me, but like, I don't think Shauna, my sister, did not help the process. But she did say it was bearable. But just when she said burning, I'm like, she said it feel like heat. That's what she said. It felt like heat, and I'm just like, oh god. Anyways.
Okay.
Oh lord. Oh god.
Feeling ready?
There's no going back now.
No going back. We're here. We gotta do it. So I'm gonna start by doing a test shot. The test shot is gonna be authentic, and by that, what I'm saying is that I'm not using cooling because I need to see an authentic reaction. Once I'm seeing the reaction that's necessary, I will then add the cooling tactics.
Okay, so wait, what if you do a test shot and the reaction's like, then what?
I start low and work my way up as necessary.
Jesus Christ, okay.
I'm not a psychopath. Come on now. Come on now. I'm not gonna do you like that. But yes, I'm gonna start with the test spot just to make sure everything's looking good. Ready?
Yeah.
Breathe.
Jesus Christ.
Breathe again. Beautiful.
Oh god.
Right.
That for 8 minutes, Leslie?
Girl, come on. Cooling. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
How's that do?
Oh god. Can you do like little breaks like that in between? Or is it better to just go straight? Oh my god.
The first one's always the worst. Mostly because there's nothing that I can do to calm me down at this point.
Okay, it's bearable. It does. Oh lord. It does feel like the elastic band you said.
It gets better. The first one is the worst. You're already hyped in your head. You don't know what to expect, so you're kind of nervous for that. But then also, your hair is at its thickest point right now.
Okay.
Next time it won't be as intense of a pain because you'll have less hair.
Well, I feel like if you go lower, jeez. Woo!
Hey, you're doing it. You actually stop to think about it. It's really not that bad.
Yeah.
You're just anxious about it, you know? How are you feeling?
Feeling okay.
See?
Yeah.
Manageable.
It's manageable.
Not fun,
It's just,
but
it's not, yeah.
it's fun, but it's manageable. Bend this like for me.
Guys, I'll tune back in. Guys, after I finished my laser appointment, as you guys can see, I was vlogging and then I had to stop because I don't know, it didn't hurt, but it wasn't the best feeling.
Mommy,
Yeah.
help me put my
Help me put your shoes on.
This
Say
one.
please.
Please.
Say hi.
Hello. I didn't put it by myself.
You put it by yourself?
I did myself.
Okay, hold this.
Tamara, you're watching videos today.
So basically it felt like it felt like someone was like slingshotting me with a rubber band. That is what it felt like. It felt like someone just had it. Yeah, put it on. It felt like that. Yeah, so it basically just felt like someone had a slingshot, a rubber band, and just kept like slinging it on me. That's what it felt like. But they said after your first session, like your second session, you slowly get used to it. So that was just my first session. I ended up just doing my bikini Brazilian. I didn't end up doing my armpit. I was like, you know, let me see how I react to, cause my skin is funny. So I'm like, let me see how I react to this first, and then I'll go back and do my armpit. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how the progress goes. Won't show pictures, but you guys know. What? What is that?
It's a girl shoes. It's an Elsa shoes.
Elsa shoes?
Yeah, that's an Elsa shoes. Elsa shoes, you put this on. It's right there?
But yeah, I just wanted to show you. So I did that a couple days ago, and then we had a candle sale. Yeah? Tell Daddy's there.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared, I said.
I don't want to.
Yeah, so we had a candle sale here in Canada where the big wick, 3-wick candles at Bath & Body Works were $11.95, usually around this time of the year. And I think another time early on, I think they have this sale. It's not something that happens very often. So these are the times that I go out and actually get these candles. Hence why I have so much body lotions, because every year when they have their body lotions on sale, that's when I go out and buy. So those are the best times to buy, okay? Those are the best times. I just want to show you guys quick the scents that I got. One of the scents that I got was this Hope Winter Peach Marshmallow. This is one of the scents that I got. I'm going to use it to catch my camera right now. That one smells really good. This one is the Sunshine plus Daffodils. This one smells so good. It's kind of like a summery, actually like a more spring smell, but it's not too flowery. That's what I like about it. I don't really like the ones that are like too flowery. Don't like the ones that are too cinnamon, vanilla. You wanna smell it? Smell it, just smell it.
Whoa.
It's heavy. It smells good?
It smells good.
Okay, hold on. I have more. 7. Oh, I found the cover. Let me help you. It's heavy. This one is the Snowflakes and Citrus. This one's more like on the sweet side, but not too sweet. So I got this one. This is one of their like newer smells, I guess. I tried to pick up more Christmas winter smells this year. Girl, let me help you. This one smells so good. This one right here smells so good. Here, smell it. Smell it. That one is probably my favorite out of all of them that I got. And then I also got this Bergamot Water. So this one is another one that I got. It smells really good as well. Oh my god, this one, it's like it's just like a soft smell. Like I can't even describe it, but it's like a soft smell. And then I also got this Vanilla Birch. So whoa, that's big. So even though this says vanilla, even though this one says vanilla, it's not like that vanilla smell, if you guys know what I'm talking about. This one, ew. This one just smells so good. That one smells good. And then the last one that I got was this Laundry Day. It just more smells like linen, like laundry. But I have an obsession with like linen smell. Like when laundry smells good, like I love that smell. Like the softener. So I went with this one. Oh, it smells so good. So yeah, usually I will buy like 12, 15 candles. This year I only bought one. I only bought 7 this year, so usually I do go off, but I was like, I still have some from the last time I bought, and I do have little ones in the bin. And I told you guys I still had some stuff from like last year, so I was really trying not to go off before Ziggy cussed me. Because right now, like I'm buying them and they're just stacking on top of each other. So, but those are the flavors that I got. I just want to share with you guys quick. Just got home from work not too long ago. I'm about to go eat some dinner. I do have work tomorrow. Let me make sure I put this back one side before Ziggy cuss me. Whoa!
No.
Ziggy, where's Polly? See Polly?
Saying they put up on camera Polly with your mud head.
How they put on camera? Nisha,
It's turned that way.
I'll put your front on camera.
The people them said they long to see you, so I'm showing them you.
Polly.
This is Polly.
Polly singing.
Oh, with Tan. Yeah.
Say hi to the people that at the blog of
Yeah. Now you guys can see where Ziggy get his madness from. This is not even madness, it's funniness.
Yes.
Watch how they look like twins right now. Wow, that's so weird. Whoa.
Polly, man, I go be it now.
Yeah. I can't believe it's Christmas time, and usually we would be like in Jamaica and we can't even be there. Because even now they're saying how with the new virus, like even though if you're vaccinated or not, like you have to do all this testing and all this stuff. Like there's just no winning.
Hey, my girl, go take up your them fryers, man.
Take up what? No, that's my clothes for in the morning. I put my stuff there for in the morning. Why are you looking for the next stuff? I moved it. Might pick up my panty then probably said. Ziggy, you put this up here, but it's not for these stuff.
You're freaking lucky for me. Oh, are you gonna?
So where's the other one? They're actually for the room.
That's your own. I'm calling over.
What are you making? Show them what you're making. What do you call those again?
I'm making my guy.
Hold on. Wait. What are those called again, Polly?
My guy.
Oh yeah, bag ice.
Yes.
Okay.
Been through the storm when the rain is up. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone.